C. C for cat. C for camel. C for cheetah. C for cow. C for crab. C for crocodile. C for chimpanzee. C for caterpillar. C for crow. C for cockroach. C for canary. C for capybara. C for cobra. C for cicada. Let's learn fruits name on C alphabet. C for cherry. C for cherry. C for coconut. C for coconut. C for custard apple. C for custard apple. C for cranberry. C for cranberry. C for cantaloupe. C for cashew apple. C for cashew apple. C for cucumber. C for cucumber. Let's learn bird names on C alphabet. C for crow. C for crow. C for cockatoo. C for cockatoo. C for canary. C for canary. C for cuckoo. C for cuckoo. C for crane. C for crane. C for chicken. C for chicken. C for crested pigeon. C for crested pigeon. C for common myna. C for common myna. C for common lora. C for common lora. C for cormorant. C for cormorant.